So after just changing brakes, now it's time to reset the counter. Push initial mounts, 1000 miles. And you push the little button in the corner, push and hold. Now in the menu we can reset it. You can push briefly to cycle through, or you push and hold to reset. So push and hold. Reset, yes. I push and hold again until it starts resetting. It's easy as that. But then it is unsuccessful. It has bothered me for a long time, because the reason is we have to release the parking brake. Now let's do it again. Push and hold to open the menu. I push and hold. Reset, yes. It's resetting again. And this time it is successful. So that little trick, release the parking brake when resetting your brakes. I see also oil, and that's already gone. So hope that tip helps you and saves you some headache.